here at last. Rocky Mountain altitude Powerplay. Do a little bit of a walk around because it's never going to be in this condition again. So forks, we've got the Fox 36 Performance Elite with the Fit 4 damper. Not really got a clue what that does, so I'm going to find out. And then all your adjustments on top on there. Believe they're race face arc rims. Minion DHF tyres. And the down tube is the 632 watt battery. It's quite a bit bigger than most of them. Most of them are like 500, so that was a bit of a winner. But it is permanently in the battery, in the down tube, sorry, which means you have to charge it by using this port. Now, obviously, if you don't have a power point like myself in your garage, you're gonna have to charge it in the house. But it's gonna make me clean it, that's for sure. So for the rear shock, it's the Fox Float DPS Elite, 150 travel. Oh, sorry, 160 travel on the front as well. But it's carrying away with me. It's not like. That's where the motor is in there, the Dyname 3.0. 108 newton meters of torque, and really nice delivery, really smooth, instant. Best motor I've tried myself personally. I'm sure other people prefer other motors, but for me, incredible. Then it's got the standard race face on there, and then I went for the DMR Volt pedals in orange, which was good. In regards to all of that, that's all separate from the motor, so you can actually replace it with standard items, which was another big reason why I went for this. Sound a little bit like a chopper or something, never mind. Yeah, so that was a big reason why I went for it. Same with the bottom bracket, you can change that out and swap it out, it's all not part of the motor. Short chain stay. I'm not too sure of the length on it, I'm not that clever to be honest with you. I just care that it rides, and it certainly does. Shimano Dior XT rear group set on there, because it looks like it belongs on like what are they called, those wood saws? Don't know, it looks lethal. And then the Aggressor on the back with Minion DHF up the front. Dropper post is the race face one. Basically it's a Fox transfer. It's got all the internals of that, so it's a really good dropper post. I'm really glad I've got that. Came from RockShox, and I just didn't find that reliable, to be honest with you. Then up here, your shifters, which are nice on there. That's about all I can really say about them. Dropper lever, so I had the push button one last time, and it's really nice. Do it slowly. Sweet. I'm sad. I enjoy that. The Dior XT brakes, 4 pots on there. They are beefy, massive. 203mm rotors front and rear as well. And then your iWalk, where you turn it all on. Hold that in. To say it's lighted up. So you can green, which is eco mode. White means that the battery is between 75% and 100%, so it's fully charged at the moment. Then press that, and it goes to orange, which is trail mode. Press it again, and it's not called Boost on the Rocky Mountain, it's called Ludicrous, and it's beautiful on that. But you can change all the power settings as well on it through the app on your phone. So I've actually knocked eco down to 30%, it was at 40%. Trails on 50%, and then Ludicrous is 100%. But the good thing is, it all comes down to how much power you put through your pedals into how much torque it gives you. So it is down to you to pedal that bit more to get the power out of it, but it's just instant delivery. It's got a torque sensor on this one, so they did their own motor. They've just nailed it. The motor's obviously in this bit in here. That's the only bit there which I think is kind of bolted on. I don't think it's as pretty as the actual bike itself. That would be my only criticism of it there. It's the only thing that doesn't really go with it. But for everything you get from it, I'm not going to complain, that's for sure. So guys, that is my bike. Get in there, that little one.